Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your mouse pointer on Windows 10 or Windows 11 keeps changing to an arrow icon with a vertical scroll bar next to it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select Mouse from this list. And now you want to select the Pointer Options tab. And where it says Hide Pointer while typing, you want to uncheck that option, and then select Apply and OK. And frankly, that should have been able to resolve the problem. You may have additional mouse settings if you go underneath mouse, if you have a fancy mouse on your computer. It might be a touchpad perhaps as well. If you have a touchpad, there would be another tab here that would say that. It might say ThinkPad, for example, depending on the type of laptop you were using. There could be an option underneath the trackpad to use as middle click for the middle button action. You might want to consider turning that to the on position, so use middle click for the middle mouse button, so turn that on. Again, assuming you had a tab here, I guess there would be 6 tabs right next to hardware. The one next to that would be a touchpad tab. Again, assuming you had a laptop, and then you could select the use as middle click option, and the text might vary slightly depending on the computer manufacturer as well as the version of Windows you're running, but generally speaking, that would be another option I would look into, or another setting I would consider adjusting at a minimum. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.